birds are howling at the sky. Here it's howling on Halloween night. Underneath the pale moonlight, don't be afraid to let it out. It feels so good just to make this sound. So let's get loud and everybody howl with me, 'cause it's Halloween. Oh, let's get loud. Sad, but I'm always happy when you hear it. It sounds a little like a ghost, but it always ends up with my spirit. Well, you know you don't have to be a fan. We always sing along, so let's get to it. It's Halloween, so Halloween. Come on, everybody now, 1, 2, 3, Here it's howling on Halloween night. Underneath the pale moonlight, don't be afraid to let it out. It feels so good just to make this sound. So let's get loud and everybody howl with me. Underneath the pale moonlight, don't be afraid to let it out. It feels so good just to make this sound. So let's get loud and everybody howl with me, 'cause it's Halloween.
Make your
It was almost Halloween, only days to go, and I still didn't have a bucket for the Halloween show. I was at the pumpkin patch trying to find the one that would hit the Halloween super spooky and fun. My eyes I couldn't believe my head, I did scratch, trying to pick a perfect pumpkin from the pumpkin patch. There were so many great pumpkins that I could find, but I couldn't decide, I couldn't make up my mind. The sun was going down, it was getting late. I knew I had to make a choice and that it just couldn't wait. I had almost figured out which one I would buy when I saw something moving from the side of my eye. At first it was 1 and it was 2 and then 3, and then all the pumpkins turned and started coming for me. My body started shaking and my knees got weak when they opened up their mouths and they began to speak. So I turned and started running, I was scared as could be when I saw all the pumpkins were following me. My legs I kept pumping, I was scared of the bone, but they just wouldn't stop, they wouldn't leave me alone. Well, I ran through the town, they kept up the pace. Then I ran through a field, but they continued to chase. I couldn't run anymore, I was one tired mouse. So I went to hide inside of an abandoned house. I put a chair by the door, I found a place I could hide. And then I heard a little scary sounding sound outside. Then they came in through the window, there was nowhere to run. I thought my story would be over, but it's not quite done. Then Munch started talking, and to my surprise, he said,
"Excuse me, Mr. Cheetah, wonder if we can just have a moment of your
pumpkins can be seen saying, "Hey there, everybody, happy Halloween!" I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins in my pockets. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins. I've got pumpkins in my pockets.
Tonight my friends and I will reach for something more. Can't wait to see what's waiting just behind the door. No time for feeling sour, 'cause it's a witching hour. We're making magic 'cause that's what this night is for. Tonight my friends and I will take some time to play. Not gonna make this fun like any other day. Decked out from head to toe, dressed like a fashion show. We're looking so bewitching, you can't turn away. The world is filled with magic.
It's time to party like every day's.